Do you know how important the honeybee is to humans and our environment? Well, honeybees are incredibly important. Honeybees pollinate most plant life, including over 100 different vegetables and fruits. 1/3 of our food is dependent on honeybee pollination, and on an annual basis, the honeybee drives up to $15 billion in revenue from crops. But did you know that the honeybee is dying off? Faced with an unbalanced environment, climate change, parasites such as varroa mites or nosema, bacterial diseases, fungal diseases, viral diseases, and pesticides like neonicotinoids, bees are struggling to keep themselves alive and healthy, much less thriving. Worldwide researchers are looking for explanations and possible cures for each of these maladies. Unfortunately, there is currently no silver bullet to combat any of these problems. Tackling these threats individually would require a significant investment. So, what if we could fight all of these ailments at once? In 2008, a natural event was observed in some apiaries in Tuscany, Italy. While a great number of apiaries in the region were reporting 50 to 70% honeybee losses, one apiary thrived and experienced practically no colony losses. This message from heaven, as the locals called it, prompted a deep investigation into the feeding habits, environmental factors, and diet of these bee colonies. The natural habitat of this land was rigorously cataloged and compared to nearby habitats that were suffering from heavy colony losses. The non-overlapping plant species found exclusively in this region became an area of intense research. Natural extracts were collected from these select plant species to begin the formulation of a feed supplement, which replicated the unique combination of essential oils, antioxidants, and nutrients on this land. An intense and laborious process began to catalog and test the active components of these ingredients. During a 4-year time period, honeybees were exposed to all of the extracts and were given the option to choose which extract to feed on. From this initial 4 years of research, an innovative product was born. Introducing BeesVita Plus, a 100% natural product containing not only carbohydrates and essential amino acids, but also lipids, essential oils, minerals, and antioxidants. BeesVita Plus is unique, as it is the only complete honeybee supplement that can be used as a food replacement in regions with intermittent or unbalanced food supplies. BeesVita Plus keeps bees alive and thriving until the next season. What's the impact of BeesVita Plus? The results from beekeepers using BeesVita Plus include increased colony growth and lessened susceptibility to nosema infection and varroa mites. Some of the ingredients show particularly high antioxidant activity or their synergistic combination, and contain active properties that can reduce the potential detrimental impacts of pesticides to the bees. BeesVita Plus has documented success reducing and/or reversing many symptoms commonly associated with colony loss within 45 to 90 days of application. The recommended dosage can keep the bees healthy all year round, with neither side effects nor residuals in the bee products, such as honey, wax, or royal jelly. Are you looking to reduce colony loss within your hives? Perhaps you'd like to see bees remain alive and thrive from season to season. Well, BeesVita Plus is for you. Learn more about this innovative product today.